Are you looking for a delicious and healthy dinner recipe? Look no further. Introducing a flavorful turkey breast and vegetable dish. Start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season the turkey breast with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and paprika. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the turkey breast until golden brown on all sides. Once seared, transfer the turkey breast to a baking dish. In the same skillet, add more olive oil and sauté onions, bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots until tender. Season the vegetables with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Spread the cooked vegetables evenly around the turkey breast in the baking dish. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and continue baking for another 15 to 20 minutes until the turkey breast is cooked through. Remember to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey breast rest for a few minutes before slicing. Serve with a generous helping of the roasted vegetables. This flavorful and colorful dish is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It's a perfect meal for family dinners or when you have guests over. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. Are you looking for a delicious and healthy recipe for a special night? Look no further. Today, I'll be sharing a mouth-watering trout recipe that is sure to impress. Trout is not only incredibly tasty, but it also offers a wide range of health benefits. High in omega-3 fatty acids, trout promotes heart health and helps reduce inflammation. Additionally, trout is an excellent source of protein and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. To start, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and gather the following ingredients. You will need fresh trout fillets, lemon slices, garlic cloves, fresh dill, salt, and pepper. Begin by seasoning both sides of the trout fillets with salt and pepper to taste. Next, place a few lemon slices on top of each fillet, followed by a sprinkling of minced garlic and fresh dill. Once seasoned, carefully wrap each trout fillet in aluminum foil, ensuring they are securely sealed. The foil will help lock in the flavors and moisture, resulting in a beautifully tender and flavorful trout. Now, place the foil-wrapped trout fillets on a baking sheet and bake in the preheated oven. Cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the trout is opaque and easily flakes with a fork. While the trout is baking, take a moment to appreciate the tantalizing aroma filling your kitchen. Once cooked, carefully unwrap the foil to reveal the perfectly cooked trout fillets. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh dill and serve alongside your favorite side dishes. The tender and flaky trout, infused with the zesty flavors of lemon and dill, is simply irresistible. As you savor each bite, remember that you are also nourishing your body with essential nutrients. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a special gathering, this trout recipe is a winner. So, why not treat yourself and your loved ones to a memorable meal that is not only delicious but also nutritious? Try this mouth-watering trout recipe tonight and enjoy the incredible health benefits it has to offer. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Today we have a simple and imperative recipe with turkey meat, broccoli with delicacies, mushrooms, and cream. For the body and health. In a large skillet, heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add diced turkey meat and sauté until browned and cooked through. Toss in fresh broccoli florets, sliced mushrooms, and a pinch of salt. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables begin to soften. Pour in a cup of heavy cream and gently simmer until it thickens slightly. Season with black pepper and a dash of nutmeg for a touch of delicacy. Serve this nourishing turkey, broccoli, mushroom, and cream dish for a delightful meal that's both delicious and packed with nutrients for your body and health. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips.
Mutton is the meat of an adult sheep, as opposed to lamb, which comes from a younger sheep. Mutton typically has a stronger, gamier flavor and tougher texture than lamb. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world, particularly in Middle Eastern, Indian, and British cuisine.